Good evening. This is Nursing, and today I'm going to take an interview of Sai Chandra Pratik on behalf of the beautiful Ganesha. You can see on the screen of him that he has made that paper Ganesha. So now we will just have the idea about that, how much time it took and how much paper it has taken to prepare that, and which color he has used. So let's see. Hi Chandra,
Hi, sir. Good
how
evening.
are you? Yeah, good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
So can
How
I
are you,
see?
sir?
Can I see the idol, Sai Chandra? Can I see the idol? Can you show it full?
Yes, sir. Sure,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. Show me the full idol. Wow, it's really good. What is the height of that, Sai Chandra? What is the height? How many feet it
Three
is?
feet.
3 feet. Wow.
3 feet.
Okay, so how much paper it utilized? How much paper it took to prepare 3 feet of Ganesha?
Sir, it took maybe 6 or 7 kgs, sir.
Okay, 6 or 7 kgs. Okay, can we round it off to 7 kgs? Oh, I
Yes,
think it's a
yes, sir.
watch. It's that real watch on left hand.
Yes, sir.
Wow, awesome.
Yes, sir.
And which color you use, Sai Chandra? Which color you use to color the Ganesha? Means
First, I
natural color.
painted.
Yeah.
First, I painted white color, sir.
Okay.
And after that, I painted dhoti color. And after that, I painted pastel color, sir.
So means natural color or chemical colors? From where you brought these colors? Means naturally or watercolors? Which kind of colors you used?
Watercolors,
Okay,
painting with.
watercolor.
Yes, sir.
So how much it has been? Means what is the cost to make the prepare whole idol, Sai Chandra? How much it cost?
Maybe 300, 3 to 350, sir.
Okay, 300 to 350 rupees. So can I round it off to 350?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So only you or any other is there involved in this?
No, sir, I am alone. And yes, sir, I'm alone.
Very good. So may I know from where you got this inspiration and why you got this idea to make a paper Ganesha?
Because if we bring plaster of Paris, it will be pollution, no, sir.
Okay.
Environmental pollution.
Yeah. So it's a eco-friendly one. So from where you inspired? Who inspired you to make this?
My mother, sir.
Wow, awesome. So means how you got this idea, Chandra, to make a paper Ganesha? From where you got this idea? From whom you got this idea? Means
Last year also we made
okay. From how many years you are making this?
since 3 years, no, sir.
Okay, from since 3 years you are making this. So how you got the idea? Because see, even I didn't got an idea to make a paper Ganesha ever. So how you got this idea? Means someone you have means somewhere you have seen someone inspired you. Uh, Something will be there, na? Something, some reason will be there. Means yeah, I have seen so and so, or else I have get an idea from my side. So that kind of story. Can you share why you got this idea to make a paper
Yes, sir.
Ganesha? Yeah.
After 2018 Ganesh, I made mud Ganesh, sir. It was
Okay.
very heavy.
Yeah.
I thought to make paper Ganesh, it will be so lighter also, no, sir.
Yes.
It
Yes.
is lighter in weight.
Yeah.
So I got the light.
Yeah. Lighter in weight and also eco-friendly. Means environment. It won't pollute the environment, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So Sai Chandra, what is the role of your mother in this? How she helped you?
She helped in me painting selection, sir.
Wow. Very nice. So uh, I would like to talk with your mother.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Good evening, ma'am. Can I see you, ma'am? Can I see you? You and Sai Chandra both. Yeah. You and Sai Chandra both with the idol. Yeah. Good evening, ma'am. Uh, yeah. Good evening, ma'am. Sai Chandra, can you just yeah. So, ma'am, I would like to know how he managed the timings because he attended the classes and everything. How he managed? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Really, ma'am? Because see, because even I have seen he never missed the class. He will means whatever the work we assign, he will do within a time. And I was really literally thinking how much means how he took the time out of all this. Yeah. So daily, how many hours he used to be sit with that, ma'am? Okay. Nice. Wow. I think he's inspired from you to do the things in a quick manner within a short time. Okay. Wow. Really, ma'am, very, very appreciable. The way you taught him, the condition was good, really, because education is first, then he can go for his interest. He managed both with the help of you, I feel. So, thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your precious time with us. And I support him in such a way that he can create new things, even. And I know you will do that. Thank you for that. And being as a support to him. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Really, ma'am. Thank you. Really, heartfully, I'm thanking you because you didn't care about your job career, but you care about your student study. Really, you are such a beautiful parent, and he is lucky, fortunate to have you as a mother, ma'am. Really, thank you. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Really, ma'am. Thank you for this. Really, heartfully thank you from the whole NSMHS family to you. No, ma'am, it's okay. It's okay, ma'am. It's okay. Because I really felt happy to after talking with you. It's really happy to see such a mother who can support the kid in all the ways, right? And that to be in a right way. Really, really, thank you, ma'am, because you gave a mobile to him to attend the classes. That really awesome. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for your time. Now, Sai Chandra, can I speak with you? Yeah, Sai Chandra, really, it was a really nice experience to speak with your mother. The word she said is really touching the heart. You are lucky, unfortunate to have your mother. Very good. Sai Chandra, how you manage everything? How you manage everything? Classes, homework, and self time, and also the time for your Ganesha. How you managed all this?
Sir, I wake up at 6 o'clock, sir.
Very good. Yeah.
And I fresh up, sir.
Okay.
Till 7 o'clock.
Okay.
After that, I have my breakfast.
Oh.
Sometimes morning opening, sir, for some time.
Okay.
Books, sir.
Yeah.
Reading.
Okay.
After that, as you post invitation, sir, about meeting invitation,
Yeah.
I
go with the classes.
Classes shall I?
Yeah, yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah.
So my mother told that first you to take care about your studies. Afterwards you will make Ganesh. So I first interested to join classes and complete my homework. After that I made Ganesh.
So you got time for yourself, like playing and all, because many students and many children, they like to play. So did you play with your friends, or else you are engaged with Ganesha?
Engaged with Ganesh, sir, because any friends were not in cities.
Okay, very good, Sai Chandra. Even because, see, our interest and curiosity will not lead us to any other way, whereas you are engaged with the classes, your studies, and the assignments, whatever the teachers are giving, and also with the Ganesha, that is your interest. So, really, thank you for giving such a time to us to speak about you and your Ganesha. We are really fortunate enough to have such a students. Uh, and also we have a teacher, Chandrakant sir. He is also a Guinness Book World Hold sorry Guinness Book recorder who has made many Ganeshas of paper. You have seen that and you know about that. So you are the next person who can enroll the name in Guinness World. So be like the Chandrakant sir, and thank you for giving such a time. Yeah. Thank you, Sai Chandra. So here we will end the meet now. So happy Vinayaka Chaturthi to you and your family.
Same to you, sir.
Thank you.